Hello guys, so we are on our way to Moon Valley. That's where the Moon Valley starts. It's around 1 hour drive from Jeddah. So the good thing about here is that the stones formation are different, and they really look like kind of stones coming from the moon in a round shape, round corners. You will find different types of oh guys, look at this. Just on top of some small mountain in Moon Valley. Look at the nice views. Rock's foundation is really mesmerizing and amazing. So this is some of the views from Moon Valley towards Aswan in Jeddah. So literally feel like the mountains are from the moon, round shaped. Some other views in the Moon Valley, western region in Jeddah.
क्या चीज़ें नहीं उठाओ करके